If Canva is giving you an error when downloading your MP4, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your export working again. This is a common issue, especially with larger videos, slow internet connections, or browser glitches, and the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is a simple refresh. Sometimes Canva just needs to reload properly, and that alone can fix the download problem. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+R if you're on a Windows computer, or refresh your browser if you're on a Mac. Once the page reloads, try downloading the MP4 again. This is the fastest fix, and it's often enough if the issue was caused by a temporary browser error. If refreshing doesn't solve it, the next thing you want to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Canva from completing the export process, especially when the file is large. Open a new tab and search for speed test, then run a speed test to see how your connection is performing. If your internet is slow or dropping out, try switching networks, restarting your router, or waiting until the connection is more stable before trying the download again. Now, if your internet is fine, the next step is to reduce the video size. Large projects can sometimes be too heavy for a smooth export, especially if they contain lots of high-resolution elements, long clips, animations, or multiple pages. Go back into your Canva design and look for heavy elements you can remove or simplify. You can shorten pages, delete unnecessary assets, reduce the number of effects, or trim down the overall length of the video. After making the project lighter, try the MP4 download again. In many cases, this makes the export much easier for Canva to process. Another useful fix is to change the download quality. Sometimes the file is too large for Canva to export at the highest settings, so lowering the quality can help. To do that, click Share, then choose Download, select MP4 and look for the quality options. Pick a lower quality setting and try downloading again. This is especially helpful if you're working with a long video or a design that has a lot of visual content. Lower quality usually means a smaller file size, which can make the download succeed when the higher quality version fails. If you've tried all of that and you're still getting the same error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can cause Canva to behave strangely or prevent downloads from finishing properly. In your browser, click the three dots menu, go to Settings, then open Privacy. From there, find Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files is selected, then clear the data. Once that's done, restart your browser, reopen Canva, and try exporting the MP4 again. This step is very effective when the issue is caused by outdated browser data or a corrupted session. One thing I also recommend is trying the export in a different browser if you still run into trouble. Sometimes one browser has a problem that another one doesn't. If you're using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If you're on Safari, try Chrome. This can help you figure out whether the issue is with Canva itself or with your browser setup. It's a simple extra step that can save you a lot of time. So to quickly recap, if Canva won't download your MP4, first refresh the page, then check your internet speed, reduce the size of the video, lower the download quality, and clear your browser cache if needed. In most cases, one of these fixes will get your export working again. And if you want more easy step-by-step software tutorials, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the Canva MP4 download error. If it did, please give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.